Michael. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Real Legends of Fishing. We tried to go for a muskie earlier. The fish 10,000 casts.
Didn't go well.
Yeah, let's say we got a couple thousand more casts to go. But we do have story of our lives, a rainstorm coming in. It's been, I am telling you, man, it's been raining for probably about 3 weeks now.
Yes, sir.
So as it probably looks familiar, we've definitely been here before at this lake. We're going to toss some soft plastics out. Hopefully there's some bass biting before this storm gets into, but we're going to toss the lines out and see what we can hook into.
Let's go catch one.
Huh? Oh, there he is. Oh, man.
He's a big one.
God, he is a good one. Oh my God.
I knew there was a big boy over there. Can you get in there? You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Oh, he's a pig.
Holy. He's got the lipstick. Oh my God. There it is, the fruits of the labor. Right before the storm hits, man, Michael actually just switched sides with me. And within 2 casts, I nailed this guy. He is the biggest we've caught out of this place. Oh, he is so big, and he's got good color in him. We're gonna let him go, let him get bigger, and catch him next time.
He's a pig. I hope he lives. He'll be okay.
All right, so we were running different types of soft plastics. Neko rig, Ned rig, nothing was getting them. So I did switch over. I switched, Mike just picked up this Mepp's Bass Killer kit. The size 3 Meps. I went with the green skirt. Green's my favorite color. But more important was the black blade on it. The water's not super clear. It is pretty dark, so I wanted a dark presentation, something to entice them into biting. And it worked out perfectly. I was able to land that really big fish out of here. What gave me the idea for switching was last weekend I was here, and I was able to get them off nothing but rooster tails, the smaller spinners. So we'll check that out here real quick, and then we'll get back to some fishing. There he is. Oh, he's off. He's off. He was good too. He fought me the whole way. There he is.
Big boy. Rooster. Decent. Oh. Sassy bass.
Dang, pretty decent.
Pretty decent for Mill Creek, man. Off the roosty.
Sometimes you just can't beat the classics.
What color are you using? Bright, huh?
Oh, there's another one right in front of me. Oh, oh. I literally just dropped it in the water. Record size. You know we only catch the pigs around here. Look at them. Thinking about getting them mounted. I don't know. There he is. You just went in that hole. Bet you there's a whole bass family in that hole. It's a really nice bass hole. Damn. Well, 4 and I've landed 2.
Need to catch a fish. It's been like 3 weeks. The drought in Ohio is real. And he just caught a hog. There's a fly on my camera. It's about to storm, so I need to catch a fish before it starts to storm. Let's go.
What time is it? Oh. Oh, there he is. Hell yeah. Man, right at the end. Michael. There's another one. Man, feels good. Right before this storm's rolling in. The thunder's been going like crazy, but the fish are starting to bite. And this Mepp's Bass Killer kit Mike got is definitely living up to the name. We'll go throw him back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All right, legends. So as you saw, we were able to pull a couple of pretty decent bass out of here. Michael's dry spell continues.
Yep.
we're on week 3 and no fish for him.
No.
In his defense, he was sick 1 week. It's been raining like crazy.
We'll chalk it up to that.
We'll call it that. Next week though, make sure you're tuned in because we are breaking that dry spell no matter what.
Oh yeah.
We're going back to a very familiar spot where we know produces fish. So basically it's going to be like kiddie pool for him.
Actually one of my favorite spots, so.
But we're going to break the spell as well. Don't forget, our giveaway is coming up very, very soon. As of recording this, I believe we're at 48 subscribers. The full announcement comes at 50 subscribers. So go follow our Instagram for more details. As well, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't to get in on the giveaway. It's coming very, very soon.
Guys, please subscribe. A lot of you guys that are watching the videos aren't even subscribed to us. I promise you we put content out every week. It's good stuff. Subscribe and you'll never miss one.
So don't forget to hit the notification bell. As well, don't forget, we always have the end credit scene, so stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you on the next one. There he is. Now we got him. Now we got him. Did we got him? Oh, yeah, we got him. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's a nice little channel. So this is the culprit, huh? So this is who was responsible for all those hits. It's a decent little channel cat. I usually only have one spot that I regularly go and search for channels at, and this is not it. I came in search of smallmouth today, so he's a very decent surprise. So it has me very hopeful in the future that I'll definitely come back here, throw another down line, and see what we can get next time.